May you take your seats.
The two-day stakeholders engagement in Bushenyi Town Hall is meant to dialogue between the bank and people so as to build trust and enhance transparency, according to Dr. Kenneth Egesa, the acting Bank of Uganda secretary.
This dialogue between the central bank and the people is very important because it aligns with our aspirations to serve you better. So it is through such conversations that we aim to build trust. We want you to trust you. We want you to trust us as your central bank. And also enhance transparency. We're a transparent institution, but we want you to be aware of this transparency through these kind of engagements. And also to ensure that our work, the work that we do back in our offices, aligns with your needs, your real needs, the needs the chairman has talked about.
He outlined the bank's new mission as to deliver efficient and secure services and prefer the value of Ugandans' money in the long time. He also warned people not to give out national IDs as collateral to secure loans.
Our revised mission statement, which reads to promote price stability and a sound financial system in support of socio-economic transformation. This mission underscores our commitment to ensuring that the financial institutions we regulate, the commercial banks, the credit institutions, forex bureaus, payment services operators, deliver efficient and secure services, and that the value of your money is preserved over time. In our previous engagements, we have been deeply concerned by what we have learned on the ground concerning cases of digital fraud, predatory moneylenders demanding national IDs as collateral, pyramid schemes, and many other challenges that you face, which sometimes might take a bit of time to reach us. I would like to use this opportunity to advise that you are the first line of defense, and creating awareness among you is the best starting point. So we are here to create that awareness so that when you encounter such fraudulent cases, you know where to start.
The LC5 chairman, Jaffa Basajjabala, remarked that Bank of Uganda interacting with the people will help them understand how they can do business with it.
Thank you for the CSR, the corporate social responsibility that you extended to Greater Bushenyi, Mitoma, health centers you have mentioned.
He asked Bank of Uganda why payments to ministries, department, agencies by the bank is slow and sluggish, yet foreign payments as well as mobile services providers like MTN are fast.
We need to make sure and take keen interest when you are handling our banknotes and coins. So I was requesting you if you could intensify on that message to these people, make sure that at least you do the needful.
Nington Waswa, who represented the governor, outlined the salient role of the bank, which includes preserving macroeconomic stability, stabilizing the shilling, controlling inflation, and others.
Its principal mandate is to ensure price stability and maintain a sound financial system, as my predecessor highlighted in the mission of the central bank.
He advised the public to endeavor to know in detail the financial institution they're dealing with. To the business community, he advised them to use insurance companies to control risks.
Make use of insurance because it is one of the ways of managing risks. You may be running a business and tomorrow, unfortunately, that business is raised down by fire. If at the time you got a loan, they told you that, yes, we are selling this insurance to you just in case, in the unfortunate event that your business gets destroyed by fire, insurance will compensate you.
Mr. Waswa encouraged responsible use of digital financial services, like on mobile phones. He encouraged the people to handle currency notes with care so as to remain clean and neat.
Buy a car, and this car is going to generate income that will be used to pay back this loan. We want to know what measures has this institution put in place to ensure that actually when this car generates money, that money is paid in the bank to pay the loan and interest, and also retain a saving for the person who is running that business.
Okello, inspection officer from the Insurance Regulatory Authority, said that banks now have been authorized to sell insurance services. He also advised farmers that because there's climate risk nowadays, they should take advantage of agriculture insurance. At the end of day one, those with torn, damaged or dirty money was exchanged for new notes by the Bank of Uganda staff.